Sing to me like you did before, of the old times and of the war. You in the doorway, guitar in your hand. Man, you sang me to sleep as the church bells rang. We get up in the morning, sun through the leaves, steal eggs from the chickens and honey from the bees. Yeah, and I felt like nothing could do me no harm when you held my hand. We got down to the cherry trees as the church bells rang. Oh, nothing could do me no harm when you held my hand. Oh, nothing could do me no harm when the church bells rang. Take a ride in your blue car. We'd cross the border into Czechoslovakia, and we'd be back by nightfall, watch some TV. No parents, no wife, no brother, just you and me. Oh, nothing could do me no harm when you held my hand. Oh, nothing could do me no harm when the church bells rang. Oh, did you try to keep me safe from all you had to see? When I saw it in my sleep, you had a boat, you bought it in the 60s. You got it for the boys, but left me with no memory. There's just too many blank spots in my family tree. That boat just keeps me afloat and carries me. Oh, nothing could do me no harm when you held my hand. Oh, nothing could do me no harm when the church bells rang. Oh, nothing could do me no harm when you held my hand. Oh, you see, nothing could do me no harm when the church bells rang. Yeah.